Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off the Save Search on your Google Chrome so that you can see all of the search results without any filters. So let's just get started. Start by opening up the Google Chrome application. For that, go to Google Chrome, and once you go to Google Chrome, what you need to do is basically look out for the search in the top, and there go ahead and type in google.com/preferences. So type in that and just hit go, and when you hit go it should directly open up the privacy and safety page on your screen. So here you will be seeing the option for different options. So what you need to do is basically go over to the content section and look out for the option called save search. So you just need to tap on it, and then once you tap on it you can turn it on. You can select the option of filter or blur. So you can, when you tap on filter, it will help filter out the explicit images, text, and links. And if you select the blur option, it will help you blur the explicit images, but uh, explicit text and links may still so you can select the option of filter if you want to turn it on, and once you turn it on, that is how you basically will be getting it. But if you want to remove it, what you need to do is basically go ahead and turn this filter off right here. So for that, once you reach over to this page right here, go ahead and find the option for Save Search and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you just need to go ahead and select the option of off. And once you do so, you will no longer see the Save Search option icon in the top right of your results on your screen. And that is it. Now you have successfully turned off the Save Search on your Google Chrome. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.